Today I want to go from the running jump to the wall slide. I don't have it yet. First I want to look at some of the animator states. I feel the need to organize some of the indexers, especially the ones in the jump section. Let's grab indexer. So this is going from jump to let's grab. Same thing with the wall slide. I'm going to add jump inside a name. Let me also take a look at the running jump. Okay. Now we just need to make an indexer so that we can go from the running jump, or this is a running jump prep, and the fall for the running jump. We're going to create transitions from both of these states into the wall slide. I'm going to create a separate folder for the running jump. I'll call it jump running, so it's below the jump folder. And I'm going to create an indexer here. Transition indexer. Running jump to the wall slide. Indexer 2, because we're already using 1. Okay, so add the indexer for the running jump to the wall slide. And the conditions are going to be the same. Index is 2, and we're going to have a bunch of conditions. Got to be in the air, blocked by a wall, not grabbing ledge, and you're moving forward. So from the running jump to the wall slide, okay, no exit time. Transition index is 2. And if we look at the running fall, we also have the indexer 1 here. So again, make the transition to the wall slide. No exit time. And the index equals 2. And strangely, if I look at the running jump, we don't have a ground detector here. That was weird. I'll create one now. So ground detector for the running jump. Start right in the beginning, 1%. Distance, I'll just have 0.1. We can always change those later. Add the ground detector. And the same thing with the running fall. It has a ground detector, so we just got to add the number 2 indexer. Running jump, wall slide, indexer 2. And if I click play, let's see if we can make the transition. Okay, so that was the running jump prep, the running jump fall. Both are working fine. If I look at it from a bigger screen, transition is working fine, but there's lag between the prep and the fall, so we have to wait for that to end and then go into the wall slide, which is kind of weird. Okay, we're going to fix that. First, we want to make the transition much shorter. This is just too long. It's going to feel like lag. And play again. Now we're going to have twitchy movement, probably. Just like what we see here. I think there's a problem with the animation itself. Let me try turning this off. See how that works out. Okay, it's much better. And I think this is too slow. I'm going to make this 2 the speed. So it's kind of like the prep for the wall jump. You're doing it really fast and then immediately going into the next state. Okay, I think I like that a lot better. Let me try 1.5. .75. I think 2 is all right. Okay, and let me just fine tune the graph. I think I also need to fix the wall slide. Because this is just a single frame, I'll make the speed 0.05, make it longer, but make it easier to edit the transitions. Okay. I probably have to fix all of the transitions now. Okay. Okay, I think that's everything. Maybe not. Okay. Okay, that's everything. So now let me test the wall jump again. And transitioning from the running jump. I think it looks good. Okay. Looks all right. Okay. There's a slight bug here. Okay. So strangely, the player's turning the other way if the wall jump is triggered from the running jump prep. I'm going to go into the wall jump code, wall jump prep. Okay, I think we should clear everything in the prep stage. So move left is false. Move right is false. And then there's the momentum that you use for air control. Turn that to 0. And I'll do this in the slide, just in case. Okay, the same thing here. Make sure you save all the code, and I'll play again. So here's the wall jump from the running jump. Okay, so no more turning back. You can turn back by pressing the direction key, but not the immediate turn back that you had. I just saw another bug. Okay, that bug. Looks like the player's turning in the transition in the wall slide. The transition that are going into the wall slide. Okay, and I think because we have these longer transitions, we have multiple scripts updating at the same time, multiple scripts from different states. I'm going to go to the move forward script because that's where the player turns. In the update, here we're going to do something similar. So if we have a script where we're sliding, if we have the wall slide code running, we're not going to update lateral movement. So I'll go back and play, and I'm going to try to make the bug happen again. Try to turn in the middle of the slide. Okay. I can't tell if the bug is gone or I'm just not able to repeat it. But it seems like the wall jump is running fine now. That might look a little weird where you run into the wall to the wall slide but keep the upward momentum. I think that's fine for now. Kind of reminds me of the Super Meat Boy. Okay, we don't have the transition from the fall. For now, I'm just happy about the transition between the running jump and the wall jump. Okay. Everything else is working fine as well. All right, so that's it for this video. I'll see you next time.